If you just got a new iPhone and you're not sure how to move everything over, don't panic. Here's how to transfer your data and set up your new iPhone the easy way. First, turn on your new iPhone and place it next to your old one. On your old iPhone, you will see a prompt saying Set up new iPhone. Tap Continue. Now, scan the animation on your new iPhone using your old iPhone's camera. This links the two devices, and once connected, just follow the on screen instructions. You will be asked to enter your old iPhone passcode on the new one, set up Face ID, and choose how you want to transfer your data. You can do it wirelessly or with a cable if you have one. The transfer might take a little time depending on how much stuff you have, so keep both phones close together and plugged in. Once it's done, your apps, photos, settings, and everything will appear on your new iPhone just like before. And that's all. Your new iPhone is all set up. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.